We have just learned the U.S. Supreme Court will not stop jury selection in Karen Reed's trial. I'm Courtney Cole.
And I'm David Wade. The court still could take up her case. Right now, it's scheduled to be discussed at a conference on April 24th. The justices could decide to take the case, reject it, or refer it to the next conference.
Now, for now, the state trial moves forward. And as WBZ's Kristina shows us, we're one step closer to having a jury.
I feel good about all of them. I feel some I didn't, and they're not our jurors. So that's all I can ask for, is that I feel good. It just takes one bad feeling and think, oh, God, is my life in this person's hands?
Karen Reed's retrial is just one juror away from opening statements, with 3 new jurors of a desired 16 picked on Wednesday. There were 58 people at jury duty on Wednesday. Of them, 49 knew of the case already. 27 had an opinion and 12 felt bias.
That gets us pretty close to 16.
The number of people interviewed has now surpassed Reed's first trial. As jury selection heads into an 8th day, WBZ is answering some viewer questions about the process sent to us on social media. First, how many people are actually chosen for interviews? Are the people with a biased opinion automatically released?
Generally, they're not. Usually it just happens to be a much quicker voir dire process once they go to sidebar.
Next, a viewer says, I'd like to know why the defense is filing a daily motion asking for the juror list. The answer, likely to help them do research on jurors during or after hours.
Generally, you have to give that back to the court. You don't have a separate list of names to do any research on or subsequent. So that's why the defense is motioning the court each day for that.
And finally, a viewer asks, can you give a sense of the types of questions being asked to potential jurors during voir dire, their private interview, by the Commonwealth and defense? The answer, details about personal experiences that could reveal bias when deciding this case.
Have you ever been a victim of an alcohol-related crime? Do you know anybody that has been, hit by a drunk driver?
Another question I get asked a lot is, how are jurors protected from outside information, like in the media or online in this case? And the answer is the honor system. They promise not to pay attention. Jury selection continues on Thursday. Only one more juror is needed, but more might be seated just out of safety. In Dedham, Kristina Rex, WBZ News.
Kristina, thank you.